Hi guys. Welcome back to this channel. In this easy-to-follow tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop a video using CapCut. CapCut is an excellent and free video editing app that's available on both iPhone and Android, making it the perfect tool for cropping videos for all kinds of projects, from TikTok and Instagram posts to YouTube videos and more. Whether you're editing for social media or personal use, this tutorial will help you get your video just the way you want it. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open the CapCut app on your phone. Once the app is open, select the video you want to crop. After importing your video, tap on it to select it in the timeline. Once the video is selected, you'll see the different option at the bottom. Scroll to right and look for the transform option. Once you've found it, select it and you'll see rotate, mirror, and resize option. Select Resize to crop the video. Inside the cropping editor, you'll notice that there are a number of aspect ratio options available to you. If you're working on a video for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you can select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is ideal for vertical videos. You also have the option for a more traditional 16:9 widescreen ratio if you're editing videos for YouTube or other platforms. Additionally, you can choose square, 1:1, or 4:3, depending on your needs. If you're looking for even more flexibility, CapCut offers a free option. This allows you to crop your video in a completely custom way, where you can select your own aspect ratio. This is great if you need a specific crop or want to focus on a particular part of the video. Once you're happy with the cropping, simply tap the Done button at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your video in CapCut. It's really that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.